respected my class in charge and my dear friends. First of all, I say very great morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Anshu.
I am Shu from Proud 9C class today in front of you to deliver a speech, and my topic for speech is tissues. Before discussing about tissues, I will tell you about the cell. You know, cell is a basic structural and functional unit of our life. Group of cells make up a tissue, and group of tissues make up an organ, and group of organs makes up an organ system. We will not discuss about them all. We will discuss a particular topic, that is tissue. As I told you, tissue is a group of cells that are specialized to perform a particular function. Now I will tell you about the types of the tissues. There are two types of tissue. First one is plant tissue, second one is animal tissue. Plant tissue. Have you ever seen plants moving here and there? No, you will not see, because they do not move from their place. They are stationary. They never move in search of food and shelter. Most of the tissues in plant cells are dead and supportive. Supportive tissues provide strength to the plants, and dead cells provide the mechanical strength to the plants. Now we will discuss about our second type of tissue, that is animal tissue. You have seen animal moving here and there in search of food and shelter. Most of the tissues in animals are living. Now we will discuss about their types. Plant tissue is further divided into two types. First one is meristematic tissue, second one is permanent tissue. Animal cells are divided into four types. First one is epithelial, second one is connective, third one is nervous, and fourth one is muscular tissue. We will discuss firstly about the plant tissue types. First type is meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues are those tissues which divide throughout their life and form a new cell. As they divide, so they form a new cell and are responsible for the growth of the plants. There are also three types of meristematic tissue. That first one is apical meristem, second one is lateral meristem, and third one is intercalary meristem. Now about permanent tissues. Permanent tissue, once the cell loses their dividing capacity, they become the permanent tissue, means they will not further divide again. Then about the animal tissue types. As I told you, there are four types of animal tissue. First is epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues are the outer covering of the surface, internal cavities and organs of the animal cells. They are present in only animals because it is a type of animal cell. Now about the connective tissue. Connective tissues are also found in animal cells. Some parts like blood, bones are also called connective tissue. Now about muscular tissue. Muscular tissue are present in muscles. Three types of muscular tissue are cardiac muscles, straightened muscles and smooth muscles. We will not discuss about them in brief. Just I told you, cardiac muscles are present in heart, and skeletal muscles are also known as straightened muscles. They are voluntary, which can be controlled by us. Smooth muscles are voluntary. They also can be controlled by us. Second one is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue are present in our brain, and they consist of a neuron also. Muscular tissue and nervous tissue both are responsible for the movement in our body. Thank you and have a nice day.